Today is 2.5 Make Bar Graphs. Our essential question is, how can you draw and interpret data in a bar graph? The vocabulary words that you'll see is bar graph, which is information that is in a table. Horizontal bar graph, which is the bars go across from left to right. The length of the bar shows the number. Scale, a scale of equally spaced numbers helps you read the number each bar shows. And vertical bar graph, which is the bars go up from the bottom. The height of the bar shows the number. Our first problem is Carrie took a survey to find his classmates' favorite farm animal. We have chicken, cow, goat, and horse. How many students voted for cow? If you answered 3, you are correct. How many more students voted for horse than cow? If you answered 6, you are correct. We are going to first look at some bar graphs. This one is favorite vegetable. Right here, we have a vertical bar graph because the numbers start from the bottom and go all the way up to the top. We have 3 types of vegetables, which are broccoli, which is 4, carrot, 6, and cucumber, 9. The key right here is to tell us what each of the colors represents. So looking at the graph, how many more cucumbers did the students vote for than broccoli? If you answered 5, you are correct. You are now going to make a bar graph, just like I did, a vertical bar graph with favorite pizza topping. Your numbers are mushroom is 9, cheese 10, pepperoni 12. On a Post-it, please make your bar graph and turn it in.